To reset the camera app settings on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Camera app and then tap the settings icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen to the bottom. Tap Reset Settings. A pop-up appears to confirm your selection. If you like to continue resetting the setting, tap Reset. By doing this, the settings on the camera app will be reset back to the default given to the function. You can do this as a way to troubleshoot or start fresh without having to uninstall or reinstall the camera app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.